Do you have any suggestions as what I can make with this? Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. So look at this. I made this ages ago. Look how cool it looks. It's kind of almost kind of freaky scary. Look at the inside. Whoa. Hey, check that out. I kind of made that, and this was, you know what, back a few months back, quite a few months back, I made this pencil sphere. That one. And this was kind of my first design around that, and it didn't come out right. It was too pointy, I think, like that, and I didn't really like it, so I put all these together, and it took me absolutely ages, and I didn't use it in the end. But I'm just wondering what I can use it for. Do you guys have any ideas what I can use this for? That is my question to you today on this waffle, because I haven't got a clue really. I've been sort of pondering around it, wondering what to do with it, because it's there now, it's kind of glued up. So I don't want to make another sphere, because kind of that's just a bit boring for me. I don't really like doing the same thing that I've done before. You know, I don't mind doing something similar but not necessarily the same. So, but I'm not too sure if I can actually make something of it really. I don't know. Maybe you guys have got some ideas or some challenges for me. Let me know in the comments. So, it's a Waffle Wednesday, and I know that's not always great for some people, but it is great for some others. I haven't spoken for a little while, so I just wanted to give you guys a bit of an update on a few things, and I've received a little bit of post. So here's one. Hey Nick, I'm chuffed that you'll be putting on Maker Central again. See you there. Here's a shirt. Ah, what did I do with that shirt? It's from Northside. Northside Custom Crafts. Jake. Cheers Jake buddy, I really appreciate that, and I look forward to seeing you too at Maker Central. Your shirt is around here somewhere. I will try and find it. Now I got this one in the post the other day. That is a raccoon. An American raccoon. Just in case, just in case you didn't have raccoons where you are, I feed the feral cats around here, and the raccoons help themselves. Bad raccoon. So I've got a few of these little bookmark things. Thanks very much for that. These look pretty funky. There's actually a bird there as well. These are from Tempe Roberts in the USA. Tempe? Temper. Thanks Tempe. Tempe. Ah, here's the t-shirt. Cheers Northside. Zimmer wood turning from Ray Zimmer. Cheers Ray, I'll get the sticker up on my board when I get a new board, when I move into my new shop. Yeah, the new shop is coming on guys, but it has taken me quite some time to kind of get organised and sorted out. It's a much bigger shop than this. Haven't really kind of shown anyone really much about it, but I will do fairly soon. I do plan to move into there in the next maybe few months. And that's allowed me to get more kind of like machines and bits and pieces and organised. I mean, because this place is absolutely rammed. It is literally rammed. I cannot move anywhere in here. There's so much stuff on the desks and tops and sides. And I've got stuff that I want to kind of get out and use, but it's all kind of just pushed into the corners and things. So I've got a new board actually up, ready and waiting, which then this board will sit on top of that board, which will give me more sticker room, apparently. Another one. I'm sorry guys if this takes me kind of a while to do, because I do get these kind of posts come in, and it does take me a little while sometimes to kind of show them. But I will show them. It just might be like a year later or something. Boeing? Oh, this looks kind of weird. So there's a lot of really cool stickers in here. Oh, look at this. That is pretty neat. Boeing. Ah. Hey Nick, my name is Clayton Pravine. Pravine?
Clayton Ravine was named after a teacher.
I'm from St. Louis. I became really interested in wood turning in the summer after coming across your videos. I finally got a wood lathe and have been turning projects inspired by you. Yes! I am entirely self-taught via your videos. Oh dear. Please be careful. I just wanted to write to you and say thank you for the awesome content that you're putting out there. And send you some stickers from Boeing St. Louis. I'm also sending you a challenge coin. A challenge coin? I thought maybe you could use it in a future project. Oh, I see. I get you. That would actually be pretty neat, actually, especially for somebody that kind of flies and stuff, I presume. I mean, these are like kind of fighter jets or something, aren't they? Look at that. That is pretty cool. Oh, mate, thank you so much, Clayton. Clayton!
Clayton. Clara Clayton.
Not Clara Clayton. I really do appreciate that, and the stickers and everything else, and again, I'll get it on the board when I can. And incorporate that into a project. Someone. Don't forget, folks, we are getting really close to Makers Central. Now, I know some people might say, oh God, Nick, stop talking about Makers Central, because I also know there's not a lot of you that can come and make it to the show. But there is still a lot of you that do want to come and are coming to the show. And it's for those of you that I want to update. And obviously, if I can encourage any more of you to come along to this show, it's going to be really epic. It's a fantastic show where we're going to gather makers from all around the world. We've already gathered tons and tons of people to come from the USA, France, Germany, Spain, China, Austria, Australia. Literally, these guys and girls are coming from all over the world to come to this one show in May. This May, the 11th and 12th of May. And it's a weekend. It's going to be really cool. You can hang out with your favourite makers. You can see me. I'll be there. And there's loads of demos going on. So if you want to see some wood turning demos, we've got forges this year as well, which is really cool. If you want to come and make your own nail, you can do that. We've got Make with Makers, we've got the Make Off, which is really good. You can win some prizes there if you build some stuff. There are so many things. Colin First is going to be there. No, Colin Furs. And he is really cool. He's got over 7 million followers, this guy. And he's UK based. I went to his house a little while ago.
Oh, hello. You've come to check, haven't you, to see if I'm going to Makers Central? Yeah, I am. It's alright. Just chilling in my bunker, alright?
And it was so cool. He showed me some of his projects and absolutely awesome. He's going to be at the show and he's going to be bringing down some of those projects. So if you want to meet this guy, along with other people like Jimmy DeResta, Bobby Duke from Bobby Duke Arts, Blackbeard Projects, Ben and Jesse Ueda, Jim Overton from Jimmerson Stuff, Mike Waldt. Mike Waldt is going to be there. This guy's brilliant. If you haven't seen his channel, check him out, Mike Waldt. And this guy really helped me out in the early days of kind of like wood turning and things like that. And he supports the show really well, and he really helped support the show last year. And he's just announced that he's going to be coming to the show, and he's going to be on the Yorkshire Grit stand. So look out for Mike Waldt. There are so many makers coming, and it's absolutely insane. So if you've got a favourite maker, check out the website. Link is below, and you can kind of go in there and you can see all the things that are happening on the Saturday and the Sunday, all the things that we've got to see and do, like the demos and the people on stage, all that sort of stuff, and obviously a list of all the makers coming as well. So go in there and check out and see if your favourite maker's coming. Alexandra Clement is coming back down from the USA. She's from Brooklyn and she's going to be on stage. Laura Kampf is going to be there. She's going to be on stage. Giaco, whatever, he's going to be there. And also he's going to be on stage. So we've got loads of things happening for you there, and bring your kids and families, because there's loads of stuff going on for the kids there. Kids can get involved, and that's what I really want to encourage, is to get more makers, more younger makers involved in making stuff. And this is the perfect weekend for you guys to bring your kids along and get them involved in making stuff. It is going to be epic. I'm telling you, it's going to be such a great show. So again, I'm sorry if it annoys some of you that I talk about it, but I'm really passionate about the community. I'm really passionate about this show. It's really just about the community, and we want to pull more and more makers together. So please come along, come and join us, support us. You're going to love it. Trust me. So thanks for joining me, folks. please don't forget, let me know about this, because I want to make something of this. Sorry I haven't made it today, but I kind of just wanted to get your idea or opinion before it falls apart as to what I can really make with it. And then maybe in the next couple of weeks I can kind of make something cool of it. At least then you guys have had a bit of input on it as well, which I thought might be quite cool. And hopefully I've found something that you guys have suggested that I can kind of put into action. Oh, one other thing, I have opened up a Patreon account. It's in the top right hand corner and also in the links below. If you fancy kind of supporting me in the channel, please go over there and check it out. Obviously any support is absolutely fantastic and will be much obliged. Does my nose look big in this? Stay funky!